Category: Analgesics. Acetaminophen with codeine phosphate. Brand name: Tylenol with codeine. Allopurinol. Brand name: Xyloprim. Butalbital, acetaminophen, and caffeine. Brand name: Fioricet. Celecoxib. Brand name: Celebrex. Diclofenac sodium. Brand name: Voltaren. Fentanyl. Brand name: Doragesic. Finasteride. Brand name: Proscar. Hydrocodone bitartrate with acetaminophen. Brand name: Lortab, Vicodin, Lorcet, Norco. Hydromorphone hydrochloride. Brand name: Dilaudid. Ibuprofen. Brand name: Motrin. Meloxicam. Brand name: Mobic. Methadone hydrochloride. Brand name: Methadone. Methylprednisolone. Brand name: Medrol. Morphine sulfate. Brand name: MS-Contin. Naproxen. Brand name: Naproxen. Oxycodone hydrochloride. Brand name: OxyContin. Oxycodone hydrochloride with acetaminophen. Brand name: Percocet, Roxycet, Endocet. Prednisone. Brand name: Deltazone. Sumatriptan succinate. Brand name: Imitrex. Tamsulosin hydrochloride. Brand name: Flomax. Tramadol hydrochloride. Brand name: Ultram. Category: Anti-infectives. Acyclovir. Brand name: Zovirax. Amoxicillin trihydrate. Brand name: Amoxil. Amoxicillin with clavulinate potassium. Brand name: Augmentin. Azithromycin dihydrate. Brand name: Zithromax. Cefdinir. Brand name: Omnicef. Cefuroxime Axtal. Brand name: Ceftin. Cephalexin monohydrate. Brand name: Keflex. Ciprofloxacin hydrochloride. Brand name: Cipro. Clindamycin hydrochloride. Brand name: Cleocin. Doxycycline hyclate. Brand name: Vibramycin. Fluconazole. Brand name: Diflucan. Hydrochloroquine sulfate. Brand name: Plaquenil. Sulfamethoxazole with trimethoprim. Brand name: Bactrim, Septra. Levofloxacin. Brand name: Levaquin. Metronidazole. Brand name: Flagyl. Minocycline hydrochloride. Brand name: Minocin. Mupirocin. Brand name: Bactroban. Nitrofurantoin. Brand name: Macrodantin, Macrobid. Nystatin. Brand name: Nystop. Oseltamivir phosphate. Brand name: Tamiflu. Valciclovir hydrochloride. Brand name: Valtrex. Category: Cardiovascular. Amiodarone. Brand name: Pacerone, Cordarone. Amlodipine besylate. Brand name: Norvasc. Amlodipine besylate with benazepril hydrochloride. Brand name: Lotril. Atenolol. Brand name: Tenormin. Atorvastatin calcium. Brand name: Lipitor. Benazepril hydrochloride. Brand name: Lotensin. Bisoprolol fumarate with hydrochlorothiazide. Brand name: Zyac. Carvedilol. Brand name: Coreg. Clonidine hydrochloride. Brand name: Catapres. Clopidogrel bisulfate. Brand name: Plavix. Digoxin. Brand name: Lanoxin, Digitec. Diltiazem hydrochloride. Brand name: Cardizem, Cardia, Tiazac. Doxazosin mesylate. Brand name: Cardura. Enalapril maleate. Brand name: Vasotec. Ezetimibe. Brand name: Zetia. Fenofibrate. brand name Tricor. Furosemide, brand name Lasix. Gemfibrozil, brand name Lopid. Hydrochlorothiazide, brand name Microzide. Isosorbide mononitrate, brand name Imdor. Lisinopril, brand name Zestril Prinavil. Lisinopril with hydrochlorothiazide, brand name Zestoretic Prinzide. Losartan potassium, brand name Cozar. Losartan potassium with hydrochlorothiazide, brand name Hyzar. Lovastatin, brand name Mevacor. Metoprolol succinate, brand name Toprol. Metoprolol tartrate, brand name Lopressor. Nebivolol hydrochloride, brand name Bistolic. Niacin, brand name Niaspan. Nifedipine, brand name Procardia. Nifedicol, Adalat. Nitroglycerin, brand name Nitrostat, NitroQuick. Olmesartan medoxamil, brand name Benacar. Olmesartan medoxamil with hydrochlorothiazide, Benacar hydrochlorothiazide. Pravastatin sodium, brand name Pravachol. Propanolol hydrochlorothiazide, brand name Inderol Enopran. Ramipril, brand name Altace. Rivaroxaban, brand name Xarelto. Rosuvastatin calcium, brand name Crestor. Simvastatin, brand name Zocor. Sotalol hydrochloride, brand name Betapace. Spironolactone, brand name Aldactone. Tarazosin hydrochloride, brand name Hytrin. Torsemide, brand name Demodex. Triamterene with hydrochlorothiazide, brand name Diazide Maxide. Valsartan, brand name Diovan. Valsartan with hydrochlorothiazide, Diovan hydrochlorothiazide. Verapamil hydrochloride, brand name Isoptin, Calan, Verilan. Warfarin sodium, brand name Coumadin, Jantoven. Category: Central Nervous System. Alprazolam, brand name Xanax. Amitriptyline hydrochloride, brand name Elavil. Amphetamine and dextroamphetamine salts, brand name Adderall. Aripiprazole, brand name Abilify. Baclofen, brand name Leoresol. Buprenorphine hydrochloride with naloxone hydrochloride, brand name Suboxone. Bupropion hydrochloride, brand name Wellbutrin, Zyban. Buspirone hydrochloride, brand name Buspar. Carbamazepine, brand name Tegatrol, Carbitrol, Equitrol. Cardadopa with levodopa, brand name Sinemet. Carisoprodol, brand name Soma. Citalopram hydrobromide, brand name Celexa. Clonazepam, brand name Clonopin. Cyclobenzaprine hydrochloride, brand name Flexeril, Amrix, Fexmid. Desvenlafaxine, brand name Pristique. Dexmethylphenidate hydrochloride, brand name Focalin. Diazepam, brand name Valium. Divalproex sodium, brand name Depakote. Donepezil hydrochloride, Aricept. Duloxetine hydrochloride, brand name Cymbalta. Escitalopram oxalate, brand name Lexapro. Ezopiclone, brand name Lunesta. Fluoxetine hydrochloride, brand name Prozac, Sarafem. Gabapentin, brand name Neurontin. Guanfacine hydrochloride, brand name Intuniv. Hydroxyzine hydrochloride, brand name Atarax. Hydroxyzine palmoate, brand name Vistaril. Lamotrigine, brand name Lamictal. Levetiracetam, brand name Keppra. Lisdexamphetamine dimesylate, brand name Vyvanse. Lithium carbonate, brand name Lithonate, Lithotab, Lithobid. Lorazepam, brand name Ativan. Memantine hydrochloride, brand name Namenda. Methylcarbamol, brand name Robaxin. Methylphenidate hydrochloride, brand name Ritalin, Methylene, Methadate, Concerta. Mirtazapine, brand name Remeron. Nortriptyline hydrochloride, brand name Pamelor. Olanzapine, brand name Zyprexa. Paroxetine hydrochloride, brand name Paxil, Paxiva. Phenytoin sodium, brand name Dilantin. Pramipexole dihydrochloride, brand name Mirapex. Pregabalin, brand name Lyrica. Quetiapine fumarate, brand name Seroquel. Risperidone, brand name Risperdal. Ropinirole hydrochloride, brand name Requip. Sertraline hydrochloride, brand name Zoloft. Temazepam, brand name Restoril. Tizanidine hydrochloride, brand name Zanaflex. Topimerate, brand name Topamax. Trazodone hydrochloride, Deserel. Venlafaxine hydrochloride, brand name Effexor. Zolpidem tartrate, brand name Ambien. Category Endocrine. Drospirenone with ethinyl estradiol, brand name Yasmin Ocella. Estradiol, brand name Vivel Dot. Estrogens conjugated, brand name Premarin. Folic acid, brand name Folic acid. Glimepiride, brand name Amoril. Glipizide, brand name Glucotrol. Glyburide, brand name Micronase, Diabeta. Insulin aspartate, brand name Novolog. Insulin Dedamir, brand name Levemir. Insulin glargine, brand name Lantus. Insulin Lispro, brand name Humalog. Levonorgestrel with ethinyl estradiol, brand name Ales, Avian. Levothyroxine sodium, brand name Synthroid, Levoxyl, levothyroid. Metformin hydrochloride, brand name Glucophage. Norethadrone with ethinyl estradiol, brand name Necon, Ortho Novum. Norgestimate with ethinyl estradiol, orthotricycline, Sprintec. Triphasic norgestimate with ethinyl estradiol, orthotricycline, Trisprintec, Trinessa. Pioglitazone hydrochloride, brand name Actos. Potassium chloride, brand name Chloricon, K-Dur, Micro K. Sitagliptin phosphate, brand name Januvia. Desiccated thyroid, brand name Armour Thyroid. Vitamin D, ergyl calciferol, brand name Dristol. Category, gastrointestinal. Dicyclomine hydrochloride, brand name Bentyl. Esomeprazole magnesium, brand name Nexium. Famotidine, brand name Pepcid. Lansoprazole, brand name Prevacid. Metoclopramide hydrochloride, brand name Reglan. Omeprazole, brand name Prilosec. Ondansetron hydrochloride, brand name Zofran. Oxybutynin chloride, brand name Ditropan. Pantoprazole sodium, brand name Protonix. Polyethylene glycol, brand name Miralax, Glycolax. Promethazine hydrochloride, brand name Phenergan. Ranitidine hydrochloride, brand name Zantac. Solifenacin succinate, brand name Vesicare. Sucralfate, brand name Carafate. Category, miscellaneous. Alendronate sodium, brand name Fosamax. Chlorhexidine gluconate, brand name Paradex, Periogard. Latanoprost, brand name Zalatan. Lidocaine, brand name Lidoderm. Methotrexate sodium, brand name Trexol. Phentermine hydrochloride, brand name Adipex P, Ionomin. Tadalafil, brand name Cialis. Triamcinolone acetonide, brand name Kinolog. Varenicline tartrate, brand name Chantix. Category, respiratory. Albuterol sulfate for inhalation, brand name Proventil, ProAir, Ventolin. Benzonatate, brand name Tessalon. Budesonide for inhalation, brand name Pulmicort. Budesonide and formoterol fumarate dihydrate for inhalation, brand name Symbicort. Chlorpheniramine with hydrocodone, brand name Tussinex. Codeine phosphate with guaifenesin, brand name Mytussin, Robitussin. Fluticasone propionate for inhalation, brand name Flovent. Fluticasone propionate as nasal spray, brand name Flonase. Fluticasone propionate with salmeterol xenophosphate for inhalation, brand name Advair. Ipratropium bromide with albuterol sulfate, brand name Combivent, Duoneb. Mometazone furoate monohydrate as intranasal spray, brand name Nasonex. Montelukast sodium, brand name Singulair. Tiotropium bromide as inhalation, brand name Spiriva.